Hey, this is gonna be a little vlog about my style changes. As I've gotten older through the years, it's kind of hard because I'm on the shorter side, so I've sort of kept the same clothes that I wore from literally 8th grade. Not that they're out of date, but they're just youthful. And I really want to try to find a style that is more mature, but also still a bit me. And I've tried to look at different celebrities that I think are styled well and that I sort of have similar energy to. I've just tried to take inspiration from them as much as I can. And I think my style icons are gonna be this actress. Her name is Ruth Negga, and she is so cool. Like, her style is amazing. It's classic, it's retro, but it's also elevated and unique. I still think it's very colorful. I like wearing bright colors. I think we're a similar palette to each other, a wintry palette. I also want to try to get a wig, hopefully from Amazon or Ebony line, that is similar to her haircut, because I wonder if I would also look good with shorter hair too. My hair is pretty long, so I kind of want to get a wig that's on the shorter side. You know, if you follow my channel, I have too many wigs. If you know me, I have too many wigs, but they're all on the longer side. How I would describe her style is, like I said, very retro, but it does have elements of twee, which I know has gone out of style, but I see pieces of it coming back. My friend who's a fashion merchandise expert, like, she knows fashion trends, she studied, went to school, she said it's gonna make a comeback. So I'm thinking in my head, this might be the perfect person style to emulate if I want to stay youthful but also more mature. This is what I normally wear on a day-to-day basis. Like, I'll wear leggings with t-shirts, or even just like oversized t-shirts from my boyfriend. I'll just wear his shirts. When I'm going out to places, I like tight fitting things, which is fine and it does make me look more mature, but I don't always want to have to wear tight clothes. So I need to find a style that is less form-fitting, so that I take that pressure off myself as I get older to maintain a certain look and always wear that style of clothing. Also, my friends recently, whenever I meet up with them, I'm looking at their fits. They are dressed, like, it looks so good. And I'm there with my, like, leggings. Ugh. So we're gonna try to elevate. This is just gonna be a trial. I'm just gonna see if I like the style, and I'm really gonna commit to it this week. Today is Monday. Get showered, get dressed, put on the outfit, quick makeup thing that I'm planning to wear this week and see if I like, and then I'll show you the different fits throughout the week. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna actually accessorize. I'm gonna think about them and I'm gonna choose accordingly. So I feel like my friend got me these Kate Spade hoops. I think these will be perfect. I need to put my contacts in and decide what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm thinking maybe just down, because she has really short hair and I think that suits it, but for now I'm just gonna keep it down. My celebrity inspiration style, like the people I'm looking at, they all have very classic, either classic or ethereal style. So I think my hair being down is okay because it has sort of a mermaid, sort of fantasy look to it. I just don't like how frizzy the front is. Spray it. Yeah, kind of, it's cute. I like having messy curls. What do you think? All right, let's do the face. Okay, I have my contacts in. Ooh, I'm just gonna do a little under eye with the L'Oreal True Match. I like to use foundation as concealer because for me, it just blends a lot better when I'm trying to go quick. I just get a lighter shade than my actual skin. So I'm just taking that. I'm just gonna let it sit for a second. Because I have a bump on my nose, I like to do just a little bit on there. We'll let that sit. Look like a crazy person. And right here. She has very, like, thick, naturally thick brows. My eyebrows are naturally very small. Like, they just simply don't grow. I don't pluck them. I do pluck down here because they grow down. Little thick eyebrow here. But I think the key to this, to her look, is the eyelashes. Also, it's nice to know I could do this quickly. That got rid of the under eye circles. I'm gonna go in with a powder and set that just really quick. Cute. She's set. Okay. Now I feel like I look a little pale, so I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal True Match powder that's in a darker shade. This is shade N7, which I like to use for a natural contour. This is my summer shade. I'm just gonna do, because she has very defined cheekbones, and I do appreciate that her makeup style does have a lot of contour, so I'm gonna do the contour as well. Here we go. And a little bit of nose. I'm not doing foundation. Today is not a foundation day. Now for the most important part, this is lashes. Now I know this is gonna slay because this is my favorite. This is the best mascara I've ever found. And she, instead of the sleek eye look, she goes for big, round. So we're gonna push the mascara towards the center. We're gonna push the mascara towards the center of the eye, which I know sounds ineffective, but and it's gonna be lots of layers of this. I'm gonna have to wait for that one to dry and then make another pass. Look at that. My first layer, and it's already like just amazing. Make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe, and comment to stay updated. And if you have any suggestions of the next style I should try, or like a celebrity I could emulate, let me know. Strong and long bottom lash. It's so hard to do this on camera. So much mascara. I'm not used to wearing this much, but it really is necessary for the look, for her style. And maybe she just naturally has really like prominent eyelashes, but I have to take a couple passes to get, you know, as much length and volume and shape that she has to hers. And I'm hoping it doesn't come out with a spidery lash, because this one isn't really a volumizer. It's more of a lengthening mascara. So hopefully we won't see too many clumps. We'll just see length and definition. That looks like I'm wearing false lashes. I'm not even joking. I mean, you guys have seen me while I'm applying this. That is a false lash. That is amazing. That looks amazing. Here we go with the other side. You don't want the bottom lash to be messy, but you do need it. You need it to show. I wonder what her makeup team uses for, you know, to get that. I wonder if she wears a false lash. Maybe she has extensions? What do you guys think? I don't know, they look great. And maybe I need to wear falsies to achieve that look, but this mascara is insane. This mascara is insane. Oh, wow. Are you kidding? I mean, I've been applying for like 5 minutes. This is hilarious. But, I mean, it's getting that look. It's getting closer to that look. You can't deny it. Let's do the brown under eye. I'm going from the item in my Element palette. I got this as a gift. I'll link it below. Let's just try some brown. Let's just try it and see. Oh yes. It's almost like contour for the eye when you use a dark brown. Yeah, I love that. And let's do a little above, a little bit here. Since we're not using liner, I don't have any liner on. And remember, I only have concealer on. I don't have a full beat, so my skin, you know, hers is a lot more flawless. And I think that's good. I'm gonna take that same brown that I use under the eye and just use it to contour my lips. She kind of does her Cupid's bow. Yeah, okay, she does a Cupid's bow. So I'm not used to doing that really. I use the Coral Revlon, the shade 740. Let's see. She does this beautiful light blush. She does a blush right there. She loves a good apple. All right, let's go to a fit check. So this is what I decided on for my outfit. It's very retro. With the accessory, it looks nice, but I belted the dress because I do have more of a curvy figure than she does, so I needed a bit more definition, and the dress is a little bit loose in this part. From the side, it looks like this. It's cute. I think it does suit me. It looks kind of nice. So this is day one, and stay tuned for tomorrow's look based on this type of style. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another look.